face me when you do that.
Ronan's getting a bottle. This bottle?
I don't know if he's got anything or if he's just looking for food now.
Sounds like he's just looking for food.
Yeah.
I don't think he's been on long enough to have anything.
No, I didn't think so either, but he was dripping all over the place. Probably because he's like, don't smell like food.
Oh, it's delicious.
This is probably not the best way to hold him either.
I normally lay him a little flatter. There you go. Oh, oh my gosh. How can you two be so messy together?
How can we not? Hey.
Here we go. We're getting a burp. Oh.
He says, you don't hold me as well as Mommy does.
That's what, because you need more practice.
Oh. 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 Oh.
That was a big one.
Oh. Oh. Let's see if I can find a good way to hold you.
There you go.
More. More. No, you want more. There you go. Ah!
Oh. Hold it up higher. There you go. Kind of. Nibble's not all the way in his mouth. There you go.
That's what I was doing wrong. I didn't want to just shove it down his throat, but I guess
Nope, that's what you do.
Okay. That was my fault, huh? I'm learning.
You two are doing great.
No? You step out of the corner over here, little guy. Come on. Oh. Oh.
He spits up so much more whenever he's on this bottle.
I'm getting soaked. You might want to take over just because you gotta get this done.